Patanjali says, Sarvabhaumya Vrataha, irrespective of gender, nation, caste, creed, religious background, race, color, irrespective of any background, irrespective of your past, every being is hardwired for enlightenment, as potential to become enlightened. Every being should become enlightened in all the 6 dimensions: cognitive dimension, emotional dimension, social dimension, moral dimension, spiritual